big explosion noise made fears the local people in Pattaya Central in this early morning. At 4:50 a.m. a huge explosion occurred in Pattaya Central area and damaged more 4 shops as 2 shops is mostly damaged. One injury of Laos national is also reported. While Page 3 news media reached early morning on the site as we saw a lot of debris on the road. As local teams are currently investigation of the incidents. Some witnesses also doubt of thunderstorm but actual reason it's a part of investigation. Bureau Report Page 3 News Media.
Early morning at 4:30 or 4:45 between this time, I was sleeping in my room. I heard a huge noise, explosive noise near me. When I get up and I see, I heard my voice also. When I come down, I open my door. I see outside near me have 3-4 shops, mirror broken, and 2 shops damaged, totally damaged. And I see their mirrors and their shutters was broken and lying on the road to other side. The explosion was very huge. I never heard in my life like this.